So this is how you can sell your products on Temu. Go ahead and go to the Temu.com website and then simply scroll down. We're gonna go to the very bottom of the screen and then look under help. And here we're gonna want to look for partner with Temu. So simply tap on that and it's going to bring you to another tab. This explains how you can partner and sell items on Temu. So, Temu works with a variety of business partners and service providers to bring more affordable quality products to customers. The first thing that you're going to want to look out for is following the code of conduct. So go on ahead and click on this link and then read what kind of codes they have, what rules in order to sell your product. And then you can also click here to see their list of prohibited products. So once you learn all of that, you're going to want to email this account right here or this email, which is merchandise@temu.com. Once again, you're going to want to email your details and what you want to do to Temu to this merchandise@temu.com email. So maybe say something like you want to provide products and sell products on Temu and then provide information that they might need in order for you to be allowed to partner with them. So yeah, that is pretty much all you can do right now. If you want to sell something on Temu, you're going to have to email this account and then wait for a response. If you don't get verified, there are other ways of earning money, like doing the affiliate and influencer commission program. So simply tap on this under company info, and then you can learn a lot about this influencer program. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is be the advertiser for certain Temu products, and you will get commission. So this is basically another way of earning, but it's not selling your own products. So if you really want to sell your own products, make sure to email this email right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.